Hey guys, what's up? It's Z James coming back at you guys with another video. So I finally decided to get a video started with the Craftsman automatic 46-inch cut Cooler Pro 20 V Twin. So far I have been working on it. We got it cleaned up. We got the carburetor cleaned up for the most part. We couldn't do like a good deep clean, but we got it cleaned up for the most part. Got new spark plugs in it. Now we're going to get this rat nest out, which it's been a while since I've worked on it. So yeah, try to clean this up. But I'd rather keep my hand away from that stuff as much as possible. I don't have... Oh, goodness gracious. I don't have a camera person with me today, so it's going to be... Yeah, it's going to be a little hard today. But we'll see. Might be able to get it done one-handed. Might not be. I don't know. There we go. Yeah, off that. Don't want to lose this bolt, though. We don't really want to lose. That one is the one that's the most hardest to get off. Sometimes... Oh, that's right, is it? No. Sometimes it doesn't want to come off, and sometimes it does want to come off pretty easily. So, we'll see. Alright, you guys are gonna have to hang in. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Yeah, let's air this out. Get the new battery in. My little Mr. Heater set up. Keep me nice and warm. Rat garbage and stuff out of here. Alright, we're gonna get the new battery. See what happens. Hey, here we are, secondary shop. Turn it on. Grab the new battery. Let's see if we can't turn this thing over. New battery right there. I hope we don't kill ourselves. I'll probably pause it again so I can get the battery in. And then, because I need two hands, so see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, got it back in. Let's get the cover on. Maybe we can get the cover on. Is it on now? Alright. See if this thing starts. I don't know if it will, but let's see. Oh, hold up. I'm gonna go do something quick. Turn off the air compressor. Thing off. Alright. Now let's go try to start it. See what happens. Oh, that garbage out of my way. And we'll move that just in case there's a screw in there. The rest of it will be maybe. There we go. Puts a little slippery ice. Stepped on a mushroom we have in our backyard. So it made my boots slippery. Yeah, I had to have left it there. Anything else to think of? Okay, here we go. So we can get this thing started. No promises. What the heck was that? Okay. Wait 1 second, please. Alright, hey guys, I'm back. For some reason, doesn't want to start. And, the switch that pulls the, little valve right here up and down doesn't work. So, take it off and make sure that's connected, because if it's not going to open and close it while you're driving it. Oh wait, hold on. Never mind, I've got one. Is this seriously not the right one? Nope, it isn't. Wow. That's nice. But anyway, so we'll see. It sounded awful. I probably got a part of it, me trying to start it, and it sounded awful and weird. It just doesn't seem like it wanted to really go the way it was supposed to. I'm gonna have to pause this. I need 2 hands to do this. Alright, I got myself a little tool. Some people will be like, you can't use that, it's cheating. I don't use power tools. Don't use power tools on certain things. And I found that bolt. So screw that thought. Okay, anyways. This one. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo. Oh, wait a second. Something doesn't look like it was connected right here. Okay. Okay, that's that. But why? Alright, let's try this again. And I found out that there was, so that, hold on, that right there comes disconnected for some reason. Which kind of tells me, well, let's see, the spring isn't connected either. Here, hold on, let me get in here. Tiny little spring right there. Go in that hole. And it's gotta go up. Like that. Okay. That should not come out, hopefully. Alright, so let's get back on here. Maybe. Get this back. No, come on. Of course, I switched WD-40 on this to try to get it started. Okay. And all the way. Refocus my camera. This, we're not going to do too much, though. Okay. Alright. Perfect. What do you say? We try this again? I still feel like there's something missing from this. Oh, okay. Alright, try this again. Okay, take 2. Yay! Anyways. Okay, so it's still making the awful sound. Let's take this back off. Take this off again. Let's get that off. Because it's going to be harder to try to work on this with that on there. Let's also go over here. My little box. Oh, come on. Alright. He's gonna do that to me. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna grab these. I wanna use these. Where else I can really go? What the heck? How the heck does that go up? Put that back on like this. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Ooh, that's not good. Hold up, guys. Alright, so guys, I'm back. I noticed that I'll probably upload like part 1 and part 2, maybe. I noticed there is a spring here that's missing. Maybe my camera will focus. That goes on that little ring. I think it would run down to here. So when this pulls, there goes that. I think. Not sure. It's been a while. So, we'll see. I'm gonna pull this off. Get that off of there. Where'd my drill go? Didn't know there was going to be this ginormous extension. Woo! Got a nasty little spin on it, didn't it? There we go, much better. Woo! This thing likes to try to twist your little wrist here. Alright, fast speed to go ahead and do this. Okay. Oh, darn. Never mind. Well, I screwed that up. Well, I'm not gonna deal with it then. Okay. Because apparently, I'm not gonna have to do that. Oh, come on. Alright, hold up. Alright, guys, I'm back again. This is a 19-minute long video. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, hold up. 1 second. Alright. Alright, hold up. Ouch. Oh no! I stepped on the tools. Okay. Shall we begin putting this back together, my friends? This is gonna be so much fun. Woo! Oh, wait. Alright, gotta pause it again, so I guess. Alright, guys, I'm back. As you can see here, it's split right here. I also noticed some tears and wears here. Like right here. See where that clamp was tearing it. Its overall health is pretty awful. And then, looking at this one, doesn't appear to have problems. So, that one looks clean. Got this, that one looks fine. This is all fine. The only thing I do need is a new one of these. Looking at the other hoses, yeah, that doesn't appear to have problems, so let's just reclamp that. There we go. So that one's getting tight.
Can't see the bottom. I just wanna dive in with
Once again, this is a Craftsman too. I don't know if I said that. Craftsman. So, yeah. Gonna order one of these new ones. Once again, this will probably be a part 2. Get the battery off so it doesn't get drained. And yeah, get back to you guys. Alright, peace.